everyone. So now we will be starting with tree map visual. This topic will is very small, very genuine visual, but I thought to cover it because at times it happens that clients may request you to show certain KPIs based on their own given parameters. Like they might ask you to showcase a figure that before this particular stage and after this particular stage, how many attributes were involved, in which days they got completed, and in how much time each one took. So it is more like a family tree, what we used to learn during childhood. So for a tree map, you can go here and click on a decomposition tree. So here you can see analyze and explain by. Analyze is what you want to analyze and explain it by what components you want to see. Supposedly, if I say that I want to analyze sport. Now, now for sport, I need to explain it by how much, I mean to say how many nationalities participated and what age each participant had and in which weight category they all performed. So what we can show right here, high value or low value. Let's say we take it as the nationality wise. In under the nationality wise, let's say we want to split Canada and we want to see in Canada how many age-wise athletes participated. Now, whenever you will click on any KPI, it will filter out the results by itself. Now, if we want to go for Canada and how many, I mean to say, which weight category performed the most. So you can click on the plus icon and here you will get that data. Similarly, like this, you can add various KPIs and accordingly the data will get filtered out as per your user selection. So this is all about the tree map. Although this is a very small topic, but it was quite necessary to showcase. At times it happens that you in real time scenario you might get confused on what type of visual we should use. So here is a tree map which you can definitely consider as an option to show like a drill down data. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.